3 reasons to motivate you to exercise and 3 exercises that will transform your body. Reason 1, exercise will increase your daily energy. You will feel better and livelier after a sweat session. Try this exercise to invigorate you in the morning. Reason 2, exercise can create those tight, toned muscles that will help you get that sexy, sculpted look you desire. Exercise can increase your health, helping you feel stronger and play with your kids longer. Try this exercise to get your body in top shape.